PQ-Tech Active Filter Demonstration. Introduction of situation. Power quality has become a major concern for all times of industrial and commercial customers. Introduction of company and IPF. PQ-Tech is at the cutting edge of active harmonic compensation systems for both industrial and commercial applications. IPF principle of operation. Let's now explain the active filter principle. The current drawn by a nonlinear load may be seen as combination of sine wave at the fundamental frequency and several harmonic currents. Those harmonic currents in turn creates a voltage distortion which affects the house system. The IPF active filter is connected in parallel with the load and analyzes the harmonic current drawn from the network. It then injects the same harmonic current component of the load, but in perfect phase opposition. The harmonics are then cancelled and only the fundamental current flows through the transformer. Real IPF demonstration. You will now see the real demonstration of the PQ-Tech active filters performing harmonic filtering, power factor improvement, and load balancing. For the first demonstration, the load used a 6-pulse thyristor rectifier connected to DC reactor. This load generates about 80 amperes of harmonic current. The active power consumption is low, and the fundamental current is mainly reactive. The IPF active filter will now be connected in parallel with the load, and we will observe the load current, the line current, and the filter current for different programming loads of the filter. We will also analyze the line current spectrum. First of all, the load is switched on without the filter. The load and the line current are the same since the filter is not yet switched on. Harmonic selection and deselection. The spectro decomposition indicates high level of 5th and 7th harmonic, as well as other higher frequency harmonics. The filter is now switched on. As no harmonics are selected, it would be just started up, but will now have no effect on the system. The load and line currents remain the same. The 5th harmonic is now selected. The active filter will only filter that harmonic component, as the filtering target is set to 0. The filter will take out entire 5th harmonic generated by the load. The spectral analysis clearly indicates the 5th harmonic is disappeared from the line current waveform. The filter current is a sine wave with frequency, which is 5 times of the fundamental frequency, and result of line current is clean a sine wave. The filter is then programmed to filter the 7th harmonic completely. The corresponding bar in a spectrum disappear, and the corresponding line current even closer to a perfect sine wave at the fundamental frequency. We shall now select all the harmonics and perform maximum filtering. All the harmonics disappear, and the line current is a clean sine wave. Reactive power compensation demo. The filter can also be programmed to compensate reactive power. This can be very easily done from the computer or IPF Manager filter user interface. Since the fundamental line is mainly reactive, the fundamental current will disappear from the line. The current waveform of the active filter is exactly the same as the load, but in phase opposition. Selection and deselection of 5, 7. In real industrial applications, only the active current would flow in the line. The active filter was performing the maximum filtering of reactive power compensation. We will now deselect the 5th harmonic. This means only 5th harmonic is flowing in the line. The same happens if we only deselect the 7th harmonic. Only the 7th harmonic appears on the spectrum and in the line. Finally, we will stop filtering and only perform reactive power compensation. The active filter current is a sine wave with a fundamental frequency, and only harmonics flow in the system. Features of IPF filter. But the IPF filter has much more to offer filtering of harmonics up to the 50th order. Simultaneous filtering of 20 individual harmonics with 3-wire filters and 15 individual harmonics with 4-wire filters. Target limit for each can be preset. Filters using closed-loop systems ensuring best accuracy. Direct connection up to 690 volts for industrial filters. Automatic derating function for applications where the switch room temperature is too high. Easy-to-use graphical user interface incorporating a variety of network measurements, remote communication possibilities. Thanks to these features. About PQ-Tech IPF products. The PQ-Tech IPF filter range has unprecedented high filtering efficiency and can easily be used even in the most demanding applications. PQ-Tech's IPF range of active filters is the best solutions for your power quality problems.